Ventilation fans for garages are an essential tool for anyone who uses their garage as a workspace or storage area. There are many products available to choose ventilation fans for garage, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best ventilation fans for garage from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vevor 14-foot exhaust fan with temperature humidity controller. Introducing the Vevor Shutter Exhaust Fan, a high-performance ventilation and cooling solution for your rooms, buildings, and small enclosed work areas. With its 14-foot dimensions and airflow of 1513 CFM, this fan can effectively eliminate heat, humidity, unpleasant odors, and dust, ensuring clean and fresh air in all your spaces. The fan is equipped with a premium EC motor that maximizes airflow while reducing noise and power consumption, providing a high-performance yet quiet operation. It also comes with a smart programming feature that allows you to set up to 10 speeds based on temperature and humidity triggers, ensuring that you always have the right airflow for your needs. Made with rust-proof materials, including a rugged all-metal structure and powder-coated steel frame, this fan is durable and suitable for any installation location. With its plug-and-play design, installation is a breeze, making it perfect for garages, workshops, sheds, attics, and greenhouses. Upgrade your ventilation system with the Vevor Shutter Exhaust Fan and enjoy a comfortable and refreshing environment. Number 2. Ventisol 12-inch Shutter Exhaust Fan. This Ventisol exhaust fan is a powerful ventilation fan that can be used in a variety of locations such as garages, gardens, attics, barns, greenhouses, and basements. It comes with a variable speed controller, so you can customize your comfort. Installation is easy as it is a hardwired connection and there is no power cord. The fan has a longer lifetime as it is constructed from galvanized steel frame, 3 aluminum shutter blades, and a fully enclosed ball-bearing motor. It also has a built-in shutter mechanism that self-closes to protect the fan from rain and snow when not in use. This powerful and efficient fan runs on standard 120 volts at 55 W, 0.42 amps, with 1680 RPM, 9.5 meters per second, cooling and ventilating an area of 1,450 cubic feet per minute. It is ETL safety listed and comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 3. iLiving 12-inch wall-mounted shutter exhaust fan. The iLiving 12-inch shutter exhaust fan is a UL-listed ventilation fan with a variable speed motor, automatic shutters, and corrosion-resistant wire guards. It is made with a galvanized steel frame and aluminum shutters and fan blades. The product includes the newest ThermoSpeed (TM) controller and is suitable for wall mounting. It has a 115 volts, 65 watts, 0.6 amp, 1650 RPM, 960 CFM capacity, and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. Ken Brown 14-inch shutter exhaust fan. The Ken Brown exhaust fan is designed for versatile use in various spaces, from attics to greenhouses. Its corrosion-resistant construction ensures durability, making it ideal for humid or high-temperature environments. You'll appreciate the automatic aluminum shutters that effortlessly open and close with the fan's operation, enhancing convenience during use. Plus, the included power cord kit simplifies installation, allowing you to set up your ventilation system without hassle. This fan is perfect for improving air quality by effectively removing heat, moisture, and odors, providing you with a comfortable environment. Number 5. AC Infinity Airtitan T3. The AC Infinity Airtitan T3 is a powerful 6-inch fan designed to enhance airflow in spaces like crawl spaces and basements. It effectively reduces humidity, helping to eliminate unpleasant odors and stale air from your home. With advanced programming options for temperature, humidity, and vapor pressure deficit (VPD), you can easily set timers and schedules to maintain optimal conditions. Additionally, you can connect to the Wi-Fi app to access climate data and automate settings, giving you complete control over your environment from anywhere.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.